My name is Ashley with Granville Homes, and I'm here to show you what to do if you have no power to multiple lights within the home. This method could also work if you have no power to major appliances within the kitchen. A breaker is an electrical switch located within your breaker panel box. This is designed to protect an electrical circuit from damage caused by excess current from an overload or a short circuit. Please note that you may have two breaker panel boxes. One, your main located on the exterior side of your home. The other is a sub-panel box located within your garage. When there is a power surge or a spike in the electrical current within your area, or when there is an overloading of a circuit, this may cause your breaker to trip. A tripped breaker is when the switch within the breaker panel box flips in the off position, shutting down the power to the labeled area. Typically, the on position is when the breaker is flipped to the center, and the off position is when the breaker is flipped away from the center. Let's just say you came home and noticed your power to your oven is off. Let's start by going out to your main breaker panel box. Look for the breaker labeled oven. Even if your breaker does not look like it's tripped, try resetting it anyways. Flip your breaker off, and then flip your breaker on. Then go back into your home to see if your appliance has resumed its power. If this doesn't work, contact your customer care team for further instruction.